Hello, Creative Birdie family. How are you guys doing today or tonight? Whenever I'm catching you guys at this point in time, I'm here to share with you guys the, what would it be called? The bag of jewelry that I got from the UK, from Janet Marsh. What would this be called when you buy a bag of jewelry? Junk jewelry, maybe? I'm not too sure. But I wanted to go through it when I did the unboxing of all of her Creative Birdie mail that she sent on over. But to go through this amount of jewelry would take a long time because of all the other things that I was looking through. Now, the last time she sent me things, there was quite a few pieces that I kept for my personal stash, and I'm sure that that's going to be the same thing that will be happening today also, because I do see pieces that I'm already in love with, like these here. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Very unique. Is it blurred? Let's try to unblur. Well, wrong way. I've been confused. Very pretty. Those are earrings. So those are my keep pile. Keep those right there. Oh, these are really sweet. These are going to be my keep pile also. Very cute. They're just little leaves. I think I'll keep these also. Not I think. Stop using that word. Hi, honey. I will be keeping these because I think... No, not I think. I know. Why is it blurry? Huh. There we go. That these would look nice with a turtleneck. And these also. Very pretty. I'm sure Jack will get a hold of these, and she'll probably get a hold of these. So those are in my keep. These I can take apart. Yeah, I hear you, Mommy. I put the dogs out. Okay. Very pretty. Those I'll take apart. Oh dear. Very demanding animals. Manimals. These are very pretty too. Very classy. I will keep those. I will take these apart. These are pretty, very pretty beads. Right there. Tiger eye beads. Look at this. I was saying I will offer them up to Jacqueline before I take them apart. Oh, these are pretty. I'm going to keep those. Very pretty. There is a lady here on YouTube. Her channel is Beautiful Nights, Bead, B-E-A-D, Full Nights. And she does amazing, amazing work. Similar to that, but even outstanding. You should check out her video, her channel, I mean. Unfortunately, we can take these apart because there's some missing stones, but they're really pretty. I can actually replace the stone if I want to keep that. I might. That's pretty. So I'm laying them out. My bun is pulling my hair to the side. Okay, so we have a pair here. Those are really cute. I'm going to keep those. Actually, I think I'll add some wire work to make them look like sacred hearts. Very pretty. These look very boho. Very pretty. I'll take these apart. That'll go over there. Oh, those are cool. Those are really pretty. I don't use these backings. I use rubber backings. Let's see if I could find the... Oh yeah, I'm a lucky girl today. Every day I'm a lucky girl. Oh, those are gorgeous. These are going to be one of my favorite pair to wear. Oh. My nails are quite dirty. I've been in the garden today. These I'll take apart, but I'll offer them to Jacqueline first. I should probably try to clean that out of my nail. You know, Janet, I'm almost finished with the bag of chocolates. They're so delicious. So, so, so good. Okay, we have a pair here. These are gorgeous. Very pretty. So pretty. Not sure. I might keep them because I actually would prefer them as a ring. That'll be easy to do. Okay, but I'm not going to take it off right now. These are really pretty. I'm going to keep these. Let's take the backing off. Very pretty. They are a coral. No. Oh, what is that blue? Cobalt blue. With diamonds around. Swarovskis, I'm sure. Oh, I hope I have the other one of this because those are cute. Oh, look at these. Those are definitely a keeper. Yes. Keeping those. They're different though. One is different. So I wonder if there's other ones here. Oh no, they're different. We'll turn those into rings then. I'm going to keep that there. We'll turn these into rings very easily. One for me and one for Jackie because Jackie's middle name is Daisy. So one for me, one for her. This will make a really pretty pendant. For sure. Or if I wore a collared cotton long sleeve button up shirt, those would actually look really pretty, so I'm going to keep those. Ooh, these are pretty. Okay, so we have the pair here. These are a keeper. Very pretty. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to keep that one. I've just got to make sure that there are pairs. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, those are pretty. Let's see. Oh, yep, we have a pair. Very pretty. I think I found it. Yep. These are very pretty. Very simple but pretty. We have another dog. Come on in. Excuse me. So far the keeping pile is bigger than the taking apart pile, but these are gorgeous. These are going to be my go-to pair of earrings, I think, on the daily. That is a really nice quality stone there. Very pretty. Those are my go-to right there. Alright, here it is. These are pretty. Not sure if I'll wear them though, so we'll keep them right there. We'll keep them over here, the take apart pile. Very pretty. Oh, I'm going to keep those if the other one is here. Let's see. Oh, yep. Oh, those are very gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Janet, you have beautiful taste in earrings. Nice. Those are my keeps. Oh, we found a pair. I'm definitely keeping these. These will probably be my also everyday earrings. I wish those matched, but they don't. Here's the other umbrella. Pretty fun looking. These I'll take apart. The stone is gorgeous. It's just not a pair of earring that I would wear. But that's not the point of this jewelry pile. I just happen to like going through them to see what I find for me, because it's always nice to add to your collection from one woman's collection to the next woman's collection, to keep for their personal stuff, and then stuff that we can create with, and I'm sure Janet is fine with that. Those are pretty. I would have to try them on, depending on my hairstyle for that day. These I'll take apart. Little red ones, but again, I'll show them to Jacqueline to see if she likes them first. These I'll take apart. Those will stay there. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, these are cool. And this is a wraparound. Oh, I see. Earring, but I don't know how. Oh, I see. Okay. I'll show you guys in a second. I do have both. Awesome. So these earrings, the backing is this piece here. And then you stick that in the front and it wraps around your earlobe. Those are cool. I'm keeping those. And I'm keeping these little blue ones. These will become my everyday earrings also. The cat eye bead is gorgeous. Okay, I think we have these, yes. Okay, these I might take apart. Yeah, we'll take those apart. That one there. I'm going to have to stare at those for a little while. I'll definitely keep these because they're very, very boho. Very pretty. Yes, and there's a pair. Oh yeah, very pretty. I'm going to keep those. not too sure. They're very pretty though. But I think I might like these as a bracelet, facing each other like that. So I'm going to put it in the take apart. And then we have some A's or V's. I'm not sure, that'll go here. Again, I'll show these to Jacqueline. Those are cute. Polymer clay. Very pretty. I'm going to keep those. Those are very pretty. And then we have, oh, I'll keep those for sure. These are very pretty also. I'll keep those. Those are going to turn into rings. I'm not too sure about these. I'm going to leave those there. I like these a lot. And these, I think, will go in my take apart. So, though that is our stash jewelry treasures from the UK, from Janet Marsh. So, that's it today. That's it. Thanks so very much. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to put these back in here and share them with Jacqueline. See if any of these, before they go into my other stash to take apart, if she wants any of these, but I will definitely share the other stash that I have over there with her. Well, actually, I'm going to keep those in there too. So there's the stash I'm keeping. I really like all of these. Let's pull the camera out a bit. Very pretty. I would like these as rings for sure. Make a very pretty ring. But all of these can be worn in my with the clothing that I wear. I could definitely wear these. As a matter of fact, I would even wear these when I wear my sweatpants. Sweatpants, nice and clean, probably ironed. Some very, very nice, crisp white shoes, tennis shoes, and a turtleneck. And these with the basketball cap on, a baseball cap, I think will look really cute. And some Ray-Bans, or what are they called? Aviator glasses. That's probably how I would wear these and these and these. Okay guys, thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you guys later. I have some more videos that will be coming up very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.